Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the program to find factorial of n number using the C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic program to find factorial of n number using the C language. What is the factorial of n? It is nothing but multiplication. 1 into 2 into 3 into up to n. What is the number what we need? Factorial of 5 means up to 5. N means up to n. Right? So 1 into 2 into 3. So by series it is going 1, 2, 3 up to n number. We have to multiply. Right? That is called a factorial. Normally it is represented by n factorial. For example, 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3. That is 1 into 2, 2 plus 3, 6 is the answer. Right? So this is called a factorial. This is represented by this symbol n factorial. Right. Now we'll go to the program. Void main, open the braces. The header files we need to include by default. Header include stdio.h, console.io.h. Right. Now we'll go to the declaring the variable. Here integer n. N is nothing but the number what we need to find the factorial. This I is used for loop. So this number 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n will be created using, we are going to use the for loop. For that we are using I equal to I variable. Then fact equal to 1. So if you assign 1 into the factor, the memory will be cleared. 1 will be stored in the factorial. Normally 0 will be assigned, but here we are doing the multiplication. If you put 0, the entire value will be 0. So that we are putting fact equal to 1. For example, sum of series means sum equal to 0. In that we can add the value. But here sum of series means addition. So 0 plus value will not affected. But here we are going to perform multiplication. So that fact equal to 1. Then after clear screen, we ask the user to enter the n value. For which number we need a factorial. User will enter the number using scan of %d and n. The number will be stored in address of n, and n means address of n. Right. Now the user enter the n value that is stored in variable n. Now we need to open the for loop. There is semicolon not available. For loop. For loop having 3 statements: initial value, condition, increment. Right. What is the initial value? From here we can easily identify. Initial value is 1, not 0. Initial value is 1. What is the condition? We can go up to n value. So I less than or equal to n. What is the increment? It is incremented by 1 by 1. So I plus plus. I plus plus mean what is the meaning? I equal to I plus 1. With the value 1 is added. That is in a simplified form we wrote I plus plus. Right? Now we open the for loop. Initial value is 1, final value is n. The condition is n. It is incremented by 1 by 1. I plus plus. So I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. These are all decided from this series factorial. Initial value incremented by 1. This is the final value condition. And what is the expression available here? Fact equal to fact into I. Sum of series mean will be added. Factorial it is multiplied. Fact equal to fact into I. Right. Now we'll see the exam. Now we'll see how it will be worked out. So initially the fact value is 1. We already assigned that fact value is 1. The I value also 1. Right. Initial value of I is 1. So I equal to 1. What we are executing? Fact equal to fact into I. Factorial value is 1. And I value also 1. So 1 into 1 will get 1. Right. Then it will go to the increment I plus plus. So that I value will become 2. I equal to 1 plus 1 means it become 2. Again it will execute this condition. Right. Because this will let us take it is 3. The entered n value is 3. So I equal to 2 means it is condition is satisfied. 2 less than or equal to n. This condition is satisfied. So again this statement will be executed. What is that? Fact equal to fact into I. The factorial value is now 1, but I value is 2. It is incremental. So 1 into 2, 2. See this, now the factorial value become 2. Then again it will go for the increment I plus plus, so that I become 3, right? So I is 3, n is also 3. So this condition is satisfied. 3 less than or equal to 3, equal is there, right? Now also the condition is satisfied. So fact equal to fact into I. What is the factorial value? Is 3. I value is, factorial is 2. I value is 3. So 2 into 3, 6, right? Now again the I will be incremented to 4. But this condition is not satisfied. 4 less than or equal to 3. We will go up to only 3 only. For the value of I equal to 4, the condition is not satisfied. So the loop is closed, terminated. Right? So what value we got is 6. Right? Now we will verify that the 3 factorial means this is available here. 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3. So 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6. So we got this value. So printf, the factorial of given number is percentage %d, that is available in fact. That is fact. The answer is printed. Right? So by using for loop, we are generating this number. By using this expression, fact equal to fact into I. This the expression is, these two are multiplied, again it is stored in factorial. The factorial values keep on updated. Initially 1, after multiplying 1, after that 2, then become 6, right? So multiplied and stored in the variable itself. Now we'll see the another example for n 5 factorial, right? N equal to 5. We'll take one more example here, n equal to 3, right? So initially I equal to 1. What is the factorial value? Factorial equal to factorial into I. Factorial is 1, I also 1 initially. So 1 into 1, 1. Right? Then I become 2, of then incremented I equal to 2. What is that? Factorial equal to factorial into I. Factorial is 1, I is equal to 2 now. So 1 into 2, 2. Right? Then I become 3, because now the n value is 5. This condition is satisfied. For that, what is the factorial value? Factorial equal to factorial into I. Factorial value is 2. The I value is now 3. So 2 plus 3, 2 into 3, 6. Right. Now I become 4. What is the factorial value? Factorial equal to factorial into I. The factorial value is now 6. 6 into 4. 6 into 4, 24. Now I equal to 5. Right. So the factorial equal to factorial into I. Factorial value is now 24 into 5. That is equal to 120. Right. Now I become 6. See, this condition is not satisfied because n equal to 5 only. If the I is become 6 means this condition is not satisfied. I is less than or equal to 5, condition is false. So the for loop will be terminated. So up to I equal to 5 only it will be executed because we gave n equal to 5. See this, finally what we got is 120. The answer what we got? 120. That is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. 24 into 5, 120. Right? So by using for loop, we are creating this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that up to condition. Then how we are multiplying? Using this factorial equal to factorial into I. Again that value is stored in the factorial itself. So the factorial value keep on updated. Initially 1, then become 2, then become 6, then become 24, then become 120. Keep on updated. This 120 is the final value. So in this video we discussed the program to find the factorial of n number using C programming language. Here we use the for loop to generate the number. We discussed the example also for the 5 factorial as well as 3 factorial. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.